Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing great. Welcome to your channel Math D1 D2 Scientific Academy. Today our lecture is related to chapter 6, which is algebraic fractions and formulae, and I am going to explain you exercise 6c question number 11. So question number 11 is given that a is equal to root 3b plus c over b minus c, and in part 1 they are asking you that make b the subject of the formula. First you have to make b the subject of the formula, and then they're saying that you have to find out the value of b when a is equal to 2 and c is equal to 5. So let's start this question. All right, question number 11. All right, question is the equation which is given is a is equal to root 3b plus c over b minus c. So in part 1 you have to make b the subject of the formula. So for that first you have to remove the square root. And how can you remove the square root? You have to take the square root. So so whenever the square root is given, so you have to take the square to remove it, okay, to omit it. So take square on both sides, and it's the rule of the equation. If you're taking the square on one side, you have to take the square on the other side. So let's take the square. Or square and square root will cut each other. So what's left now? A square is equal to, it will become a square is equal to 3b plus c over b minus c. Alright, now you can cross multiply. So let's cross multiply. Here there is nothing in the denominator, so we can put 1. We can cross multiply it. A square b, but you will multiply a square with this. Okay, what we can do is this a square is multiplying with b minus c. Okay, so a square b minus c, and when you will multiply 3b plus c with 1, you will get 3b plus c. Now multiply a square with b minus c, so what you will get? You will get a square b minus a square c is equal to 3b plus c. As a students, now you can, what can you do is make b on, okay, take b on one side, keep b on one side, and move keep c on the other side. So this 3b is adding over here. It will move this to this side. It will be subtracted from this a square b minus 3b. Okay, I have moved 3b to the left hand side, okay, like this. Okay, now I'm moving this c term to the right hand side. So what will it will become c plus, okay, it's subtracting over here. It will come to this side, it will be added, so it will become c plus a square c. All right, now what can I do? This is that I can take b common from here, and I can take c common from here. Okay, so I'm going to take common c. When I will take common, what I will get? I will take b common. So what's left inside it? Here a square is left. From the first two term, as you can see that from the first two term I have taken b common, so a square is left. And from the other term I have taken b common, so this minus 3 is left. Is equal to, I will take c common, and 1 plus a square is left. As we have to find out the value of b, so what can I do is a square minus 3 is multiplying with b. Okay, so it will go to the other side, it will be divided with it. Just as there is no need to multiply it. In your book you can take c common from this side, but in your book it's not, they have not taken the common c. Okay, so keep this term as it is, which is c plus a square c. Okay, move this term to the right hand side. It's multiplying with b. When it will come to this side, it will be divided. So b is equal to c plus a square c over a square minus 3. All right, so students, this is the answer of part 1. Okay, and in part 2 they are saying that find out the value of b when a is equal to 2 and c is equal to 5. Now we are going to do part 2. Okay, I'm going to erase it so that I can explain you. Okay, we have found B. Okay, which is C plus AC, C plus A square C, and divided by A square minus 3. Okay, so this is your B. Now in part 2 they are saying that if A is equal to 2 and C is equal to 5, find out the value of B. So you have to find out the value of B. So now you have to substitute the value of A and C in this equation. Okay. So it is C plus A square C. So instead of in place of C you will write in 5 plus in place of A you will write in 2 square and C is 5 over A square minus 3. So A is 2. So you will take the square of 2 and minus 3. So when you will solve it, 5 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Over 2 2s are 4 minus 3. So 20 plus 5 is 25 divided by 1. So the value of B will be equal to 25. So your answer is, actually students, when you substitute the value, so this is how you will solve it and you will get the value of B, which is 25. So base 25, this is your answer. Okay, so I hope that question number 11 is clear to you. Now take very good care of yourself. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.